Chief Bitcoin in the house. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the weekly Bitcoin against the US dollar. So the price is 60,751 or so. It's changing quickly. Anyways, so it looks pretty good to me. I mean, this is the weekly. You can see down here, this is just about to go up there. Okay, so that looks good to me, and I think that we're going to a new all-time high. Okay, so this would be on the weekly here, and let's take a look at the daily. So here's the daily. So we're getting up there on the daily, and I'm thinking that this here, eventually it's going to come over. So I'm thinking as this comes over, this will probably go sideways. Okay, I don't think it's going to go down too much. It might, okay, but I don't think it's going to go down like that or anything and then bounce. I think it's going to go sideways, possibly, if it stays strong, which I think it is. I mean, we've got a country that has made it an official currency theirs already, so it's like a dream come true for people who invest in Bitcoin. So that's what I think. So here's the daily. I think that we're gonna probably follow the top line here, and we'll see what happens. It could also go as it typically would, like that maybe, and then up. Okay, but I think it's pretty strong for now, and I think that we can go a long way because of this weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. So I think it looks good on the weekly chart, and I think we're going up that way. Okay, and it might go something like that, hopefully, but the market will determine. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so here's an important one, S&P 500 index. Okay, this is the weekly chart here, SPX. Okay, so you can see here we've got a green, our first green, and over here we do not have a pink yet, and this hasn't turned up yet. So what we could have is this green go back, start being a whole bunch of greens, and going up again is what I think is about to happen. Okay, so that's what I think is going to happen. Why? Because typically that's what happens. You look at these reds over here. We've got 4 reds there, and then we've got a green. The last time we had 2 reds on the weekly, which is where we're at, and we had 1 red there, we had 3 reds there. The thing is, we don't get a lot of reds. Okay, here's where the COVID hit here. Okay, so that was a pretty strong drop there, but I think we were probably at the bottom of the drop here because we got this green, and I think we're on our way up that way. Okay, so that's what I think about the SPX, S&P 500. Let's look at the daily. Now we're looking at the daily, and we've got this happening over here. It's crossed over, and it can continue to go up there that way. Anyways, you get the idea, and that's because the price action would continue to go up for the S&P 500. So I think that we're bouncing here where we're supposed to bounce, and now we're going up, mostly because of these here's the monthly. Okay, look at the monthly looks, you know, pretty high up there. Here's the weekly, and well, we'll see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Okay, so the market will determine what happens, and don't make any trades based on any of my analysis. Okay, you got to make your own decisions yourself. I'm just doing this for your entertainment. That's what this is, for entertainment. Okay, it's not financial advice. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so here we are on the Forex, and it's the USD against the CAD, so US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Now I'm thinking that this thing is going to continue to drop, because right now we're on the weekly. You can see there, this is the weekly chart, and you can see this is about to come over. It hasn't even flattened out yet, but this is diving down already. Okay, can you see that? See how this is, well, it's pretty well flat there now, but this is diving down, so that shows that there's strength if you want to go short. Okay, so I think that you can see the trend line here. The basic trend is that it's going down. Okay, and I think that trend is going to continue, and this is probably going to go to a lower low. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe down to there. Who knows, the market will determine, but this has got to come over here. That's going to, the dropping in price is going to cause this to continue to go over, and that's how it works. So let's take a look at the daily. Here's the daily. So the daily is showing that it's going beyond this bottom trend line, so it's broken below it. So that's a sign that it's going to continue to go down. Okay, so that's what I think. Here's the weekly again, and I'm thinking that it's going down this way. So that's what I think, but wouldn't you rather have somebody who's a 3-time world champion at Forex? Wouldn't you rather have somebody like him and you can just follow his trades? Let's take a look here. Okay, so here is Toshko Raychev. Okay, so that's him there. And you can see here, he's the 3-time world Forex champion. Okay, so you can sign up for this service, and this guy is the person who gives out the signals. Okay, so this guy's really good at it. And let's take a look. So you can go down to the description box, and down below the video there's a description area, and I want you to click the link down there and just take a look at the videos. I'm not going to show you the videos here, but I mean, this guy's a world champ. Here's another video for you to watch when you click the link down there. And when you sign up with this guy for 1 year of service, he's going to give you it at a steep discount. Plus, he's going to tell you his system. He's going to show you his system. So you're going to know his system forever, because he's going to teach it to you. But he's going to send you messages, instant messages, whenever he goes into a trade. So you're going to see it in real time, and you're going to get the messages when to go into a trade. So, you know, if you're just watching YouTube, they're typically not going to tell you where to go in and where to come out. And if he decides to change his mind about something, then you'll know in real time. So this guy gets like between a 90 and 96% win rate. Okay, so that's why he's the 3-time world Forex champion. And here's another video for you to watch when you click the link down there in the description box, just to check it out, see if you're interested in it. So it's all in real time, and I think you should check it out. I mean, you can't go wrong with the 3-time world champion, I don't think. Look at the videos, read what they have to tell you here, and then make your decision. You know, do you want to be in, and you're in touch with this guy at all times, you know? So that's him there, and he's actually the president, I think, of Karate Association or something. So look at here. Here's some testimonials. Here's the first one. I closed 2 trades this morning before work for 100 plus pips, and am currently in a trade on the Euro Australian dollar, which is up about 35 pips as I'm typing this, and has been up as much as 85 pips. This is unreal. For the first time in my trading life, I feel like I have the right set of Forex tools to be successful. It gives me the confidence to stay in the trades if and when they move against me. As we speak, I am closing in on 250 pips this week. Unbelievable. Okay, the next one. I made myself $2,800 US after 2 hours of plug-in, no BS. It really works because this guy's the world champion, 3-time world champion, and he knows how to make money in this thing. Okay, let's read the next one. I'm a newbie in the Forex market, but you made a system that it's so simple to follow. Anyone with a brain can do this. I'm a stay-at-home mom caring for my newborn. My husband does not believe you can really make money in the Forex market, but yesterday that all changed when I showed him my account. Made $778 overnight. This is awesome. Okay, so here he is. He's the director for the International Karate Alliance. Okay, so that's what he is. Look at how he's in great shape and everything. You know, keep your mind in shape, keep your body in shape. So press the button down there to see if you want to buy into this system here. Well, it's just basically he'll teach this system to you, but you can follow his trades in real time, and that's what's the most powerful thing about this. You can go in the trades when he goes in them, and you can go out of the trades when he goes out of the trades. So I want everybody to have a fantastic day.